all wing gliders. Get ready to sail the skies and fly the clouds. Getting this launcher ready isn't easy. And those wing gliders are almost here. Still need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings. When these wings are in place, you'll fly and see Earth better than any dragon. Too toothless, you know? Oh, wait. Trouble! This is terrible. I need help. Hang on! Abandon ship! And on your left, you'll see some Gronkel eggs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea. Oh boy. Hold on tight. Glider wasn't built for this. Heads down. That's how you do it. You're quite the wing glider. I am completely impressed. If you ever want to go flying again, just stop by.